lady. I love it when we play 1950. So cold, it just stays about to kill me. I'm surprised when you kiss me.
Welcome back to another tech review video on the channel. Hope you guys enjoy. This is an insane piece of tech. It's low priced, incredible quality, and great for run and gun and one-man productions. I'm going to be taking a look at the Rode Stereo Videomic Pro Rycote. Everything you hear in this video is from that microphone, including what you can hear right now. So let's jump right into the video. This is a first time review, so this is what I think of the mic. The first time I've used it, I haven't used this for long. Here's the box, looking good. Let's open this up here, nice packaging. Here's the furry windshield I also ordered. Alright, let's take it out here. And it looks like it's got a nice wraparound wiring system here, not too bad. And here's the Rycote mount that you actually mount it onto here. It looks quite difficult to put on. Alright, here we go, we've got it on. Let's take off the thingy so you can see what it looks like inside. This is what the actual mic looks like. It's made up of two microphones, one on the left, one on the right. They're pointed diagonally. Here's the actual mic on a camera. Looks quite good. I'm gonna pop out the battery compartment and stick in a battery. Just takes a 9-volt battery here. I'm gonna put it in. Switch it on. So we have the on setting, obviously. Then we have the high pass filter, the -10 dB, 0 dB, and 20 dB setting. So I'm going to be trying out the high pass filter, the +20 dB, and the -10 dB, and I'm going to see what it's like. I'm going to a rock concert and some other insane places to try out this mic, so let's go. Okay, so we're back on the beach, and I just wanted to see how well it picked up my voice. So right now I'm on a loud, windy beach with lots of people around me, and it should be quite good, I hope, because it has the furry windshield on it, which I did pay a lot of extra for to hopefully minimise wind reduction. Yes, that's right, I did forget to record audio on the beach. I forgot to switch on the microphone. I'll get back to the beach and explain what actually did happen. Yes, I did forget to put on the microphone. Yeah, that's a big flaw in this microphone and something I wish they would change, which they do have on the Rode Videomic Plus or something, where it turns on automatically when you plug it in.
To combat that, we've got the automatic powering function, where the microphone will automatically switch on when you turn your camera on.
So as its name suggests, it captures two sides of audio, so I'm going to do a few tests and see if it's noticeable on each side of your headphones. So make sure you're wearing headphones if you are listening to this, unless you have a really good stereo setup. You're probably not going to hear this difference. Okay, so I'm standing behind the camera right now. I'm looking down at the camera, talking into it, and I'm going to start walking around now. I'm now on the right of the microphone. I'm now in front of the microphone. Now I'm on the left of the microphone. Now I'm on the back. Let's go and test out the high pass filter. High pass filter is on. That concludes the video. I know it's been short. This video was edited about a month ago It is now June. It was edited in just after my birthday in May, so it's been a while since I've actually got back to this video. This is the video. The rest of the video I'm just going to include a few tests for what the mic actually sounds like in some real life situations. Sorry, my neighbour just walked up to me and started staring at me right there. It's generally a very good microphone. The only issue I have with it is the actual Rycote mount. It makes a really loud noise. Generally, this microphone is very good. It just has some reliability issues. I wouldn't have 100% confidence if I was taking it out to a shoot, but I have taken it out to events, and it's done the job, so it seems to work. So if you guys are looking for a stereo microphone that is reasonable budget, this is the one to get. There are other microphones by companies that isn't Rode. Rode is, they tend to price their microphones quite expensively, but there are some kind of smaller companies that do stereo mics, so I guess do your research. But this microphone is very good, and this is only within, like, I haven't even used it properly yet. I've used it for about a week straight properly, but there's definitely a lot of potential in it once you get to know which settings to use, etc. I didn't notice a lot on the high pass filter, but maybe I just don't have a 60Hz fan, or I was too close to the traffic, I'm not sure. But I'm going to include some more sound samples for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next one.
I was kind of desperate. I think I was in a bit of a sort of confused state of mind.